Hey everyone! Welcome to our channel. We were approached by Atomstack to review their A10 Pro V2 12 watts laser engraver. Let's unpack and see if it is suitable for a leathercrafter. The structure of the engraver is an open gantry, made from aluminum alloy, capable to operating at a maximum speed of 30,000 mm per minute. It supports all other components, providing a stable foundation for the laser head. The working area is pretty large, 400 mm per 400 mm. These are all the components included in the package. The laser came with a user manual, and all the necessary tools and screws. The screws are organized in pouches, according to the assembling steps in the manual. There are 7 steps for assembling the laser. First step is finished. Tighten the screws. Attach the laser head with the 2 screws. The laser head can be moved up and down in order to focus the laser beam. It has an integrated air assist nozzle, to which is attached the air assist pump. This is the Atomstack F30 V2 air assist. It can be set up directly in the Lightburn software. This is the F3 matrix honeycomb. It has 460-425 mm working area. It is made from aluminum alloy and is specifically designed for laser cutting. It comes with fixtures, which are very useful when you want to keep the leather in place for cutting and engraving. It can be adapted to all Atomstack, Orcher, Nehe, stool frame laser engraving machines. I use the focus device, and screw the laser head in the correct position, for either cutting or engraving. The laser has a HDMI port for a touch screen, that can control the machine, and allow you to print from a USB drive. You can connect it to a PC or Mac, with Lightburn software, or a smartphone, with Atomstack app. To obtain the best results, the key is testing again and again the material. Lightburn has a built-in test pattern generator to help you find the best settings for your laser and any material you're working with. To open the material test generator, go to the Laser Tools menu and select Material Test. You can change the settings from the size and number of squares to min and max speed and power. You can choose what type of test you make, for engraving or cutting. For engraving, choose fill mode. For better results, keep the air assist off. You have access to a preview of the job. You can print the test directly from Lightburn, or you can save it as G-code and print it offline. For cutting test, follow the same steps. Just change the mode from fill to line. Select the number of passes, depending on the thickness of your leather. Turn on the air assist, for better results. Save the G-code, for future references. It is very important to test the leather you are working before proceeding to the actual work. I made many tests in order to achieve the best setting for cutting and engraving. I started with 6 ounces, 2.4 mm, vegetable leather. Although I managed to cut on larger lines, I couldn't cut small circle for the holes. The engraving went well, as expected. Finally, I arrived to the best settings. For the engraving, 5000 mm per minute, 50% power, 1 pass, bidirectional, overscanning, air assist off. For cutting round holes for stitching, 350 mm per minute, 65% power, 2 passes, constant power and air assist on, and the same settings, minus the constant power, for cutting the lines. These are all the parts of the bag, cut and engraved with a laser. I will finish the edges with Uniter's edge paint. The next step will be to stitch the zipper on the gusset. This is the mini circle bag I made with Atomstack A10 Pro V2 12 watts laser engraver. I like it also on black as well. Atomstack A10 Pro V2 12 watts is an affordable laser that gives a good performance in cutting and engraving leather. It has a generous working area. The machine is a good choice for personalizing your products. You can engrave any image, letter or decoration your customers would require. It can be operated with your PC, Mac or smartphone, and offline, with the help of the control touchscreen. The laser is lightweight, and therefore, can be moved around with ease, or stored until you need it, making it a good option for workshops with limited space. You would need a ventilated space for operating the laser, and an exhaust system, to remove the smell and fumes. If you are interested in purchasing this laser, there is a link in the description. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.